Big changes are coming to YouTube come July 15th. And if you're a creator, especially a faceless one, you definitely need to hear this. YouTube is updating its monetization policies and is targeting what they call inauthentic content. That means mass-produced and repetitious videos. If you rely on templates, YouTube automation, and repeat the same format over and over again, you could lose monetization. But don't panic. Let's break it all down together and see what you need to do. Welcome to Tapiwa Gets Paid, where we help new YouTubers grow. On this brand new channel, we are seeing if the methods which we teach are actually helping others grow. So let's get back into the issue. What exactly is changing on July 15th? YouTube posted an official update with this message. I'm going to read it in your hearing and hopefully it will be important and you can benefit something. The new YouTube policy updates read as follows. This article summarizes recent and past updates made to YouTube's policies. For other updates relevant to content creators, check out our creator updates. So I'm going to read this one. The first one isn't very important. Updates to add sensitive categories. This one we can basically ignore it. It doesn't have much to say if you are not producing content which relates to. But the second one is the most important, which has got everyone in a buzz. YouTube updates to YouTube partner program monetization policies, July 2025. In order to monetize as part of the YouTube partner program, YPP, YouTube has always required creators to upload original and authentic content. On July 15, 2025, YouTube is updating our guidelines to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. This update better reflects what inauthentic content looks like today. Let's take a pause there. What do they mean by mass-produced? Well, let's look at it in this way. Think of videos made using bulk automation. Same format, same voice, same visuals, same style, only tiny fractions perhaps in the topic. For example, top 10 facts about dinosaurs, followed by the next video, top 10 facts about sharks, next video, top 10 facts about volcanoes, next video, top 10 facts about dogs. Those kind of content, all using the same template. That's what YouTube is probably looking at. Repetitious content, perhaps like when your channel uses like the same script structure, transitions, animations, everything is basically the same, tiny variations. And even if you are technologically original or technically original, it might not feel original to a real reviewer, and YouTube is cracking down on that. So what does this mean for you? If you are a creator who makes original, thoughtful content, you are probably safe. Alright? If your videos show effort, your research, your storytelling, your personality, I'm sure you're not the target here. But if your channel uses like stock footage, AI voiceovers, template scripts, template background, and you post maybe like 3 to 5 times a day with almost no variation, top 10 this, top 10 that, top 10 that, this could potentially maybe hit hard depending on your niche. So what YouTube is telling us is that they want more human-centered content again. Maybe not necessarily showing your face, but they want signals of real effort. Okay, which could mean like custom visuals, custom animations, new scripting each time, a clear point of view, a clear commentary. Let's say for example, if you're doing commentary videos, like you're talking about footballers, and then you actually make a commentary which is authentic and clear and different with each video. And if you're using AI tools, well, it's fine, since YouTube algorithm is AI, but those AI tools should not be the A, B, C up to Z of your whole process, of your whole production process. Otherwise, if you continue doing this, you probably could lose monetization. And once the channel gets flagged, it's more fuzzy from there onwards. Who knows? It's hard to come back. So what can you do now? Because it seems as if it's a very big update and everyone is talking about it. What can you do? The number one most important thing, never panic. Don't panic, okay? The update doesn't go into effect until July 15. What it means is this gives you time to review your content, go through your videos which you've posted. Maybe like, let's say you past 10 to 20 videos. What have you been posting? Is it not repetitive content? Is it not reused content? Is it bulk produced content? No effort. Just AI, take free versions of AI, make copies of, I don't know, maybe 100 videos using the same template. Go through it and ask yourself, does my content look like carbon copies of each other and perhaps of other channels? Am I reusing too much of the same format? Would the viewer say this feels mass produced? And if yes, it means it's time to shift. It means you need to change your goals. You need to change your visuals. Rescript your intros. Make the stuff more lively. Put more you in it. Show more of your personality, even in small ways. A smile here, a wink there, a cough, and don't over edit your videos, like cutting out all the silences, maybe cutting out all the, maybe when you or when you cough or when you clear your throat. That shows that you are human, okay? Like say or maybe take a glass of water mid recording. It shows that you are human, you are making your content and you are there with yourself. So one channel that I follow switched from using text to speech, those robotic voices, to narrating with his real voice as soon as they read about this new update. Same script but better retention because he's using his voice now, and well, most probably is on his way to monetization back again. So what's next? Of course, we still don't have all the details, that's for sure. We do not know to what extent they will exercise this. YouTube hasn't fully explained how enforcement will work, but what we do know is they said more guidance is coming, and towards July 15th. By July 15th, we will have more vision and more clearer vision, and we'll be able to do perhaps much better. We have more clarity, we have more clearness, and we'll be better posed to understand what we need to do with our content. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel, because we'll be tracking everything that happens and breaking it down in plain English so that you can understand. In the meantime, click here to watch which faceless channels will survive this update and how to do faceless the right way. Stay smart, stay creative, stay monetized, get paid. See you in the next video.